Hey guys, welcome to Naiwik Tech. In this video, I will be showing you the unboxing of Lenovo 15.3 inches laptop. The model number of this laptop is 83K100CGIN. This laptop is powered by 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor and it is equipped with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. The Lenovo IdeaPad laptops comes in this box. So the box looks like this. Here you can see the Lenovo branding and here is the seal sticker. And coming to the back, here you can see the model number 83K100CGIN and the series is IdeaPad Slim 3. The price mentioned on the box is 81,390, but you can get it for approximately 54,000. If there is any sale, you can get little bit cheaper. And the country of origin is made in China. Over here you can see the specifications of this laptop. Intel i5 1342H 2.1 GHz processor, RAM 16GB, storage 512GB and GPU is integrated and the display size is 15.3 inches. Now let's open the seal. Here is the laptop. Inside the box you will get one laptop, one cable and one travel adapter. So here is a charger unit and here is a laptop. You will get only two items in this box and the booklets. Let's open the travel adapter. The charging pin looks like this. Here is the travel adapter. Here you can see 65 watts. This is how the charger looks after connecting the cable. Now let's remove the laptop from the cover. This is how the laptop looks. Lenovo branding on the top and the bottom of the laptop looks like this. If you can see, here is the model number 83K100CGIN and the manufacture date and the model number IdeaPad Slim 3 15IRH101. And here you can see the hologram. On the bottom it has raised lips for proper heat dissipation. On opening the laptop you will find this cloth. Over there they have mentioned the port's name. Let's remove this and you will get a brochure on how to register for warranty. And this is how the keypad of the Lenovo laptop looks. Here you can see Intel Core i5 processor, 16:10 display, long battery life and camera with privacy shutter. And here is the trackpad. With this laptop you will not get a fingerprint scanner. It is a backlit keyboard and here is a speaker grill and here is a camera. By default it comes with the sticker. Let's remove the sticker. And this camera comes with a privacy shutter button. You can close or open like this. Here you can see the red light, it means it is closed. Since it has accommodated the camera, you can see that there is a raised lips on this camera. And coming to the ports, here is a port for charging the laptop and here is a USB-A port and HDMI port, Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side of the laptop you can see the Nova button. Here is the Nova button and here is the on off button and here is a SD card support. You can directly insert the SD cards. Here is the USB port. At the back you don't find any ports. Here is the charging cable. Let's insert the cable inside the port. You can see reddish orange light. It means that it is charging the laptop. One more good thing about this laptop is that you can stretch the display all the way up to 180 degrees like this. Here you can see that it is almost flat. Let's turn on the laptop. The power button is on the right side. Press the power button. You can see the Lenovo logo. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home. So here you can see the Windows 11. Let's go to the setup process quickly. To enable the backlit keyboard, you need to press and hold the function key FN and you need to press space bar once. The backlit keyboard is enabled, but you cannot see under lights, so I am turning off the lights. Now you can see that the backlit is enabled. If you want full brightness on the backlit keyboard, you need to press and hold the function key again and tap once more. Now you can see that the keys are fully eliminated. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.